Hello, new faculty experience instructor. Welcome to week 2, where you will be completing tasks in this simulated Canvas course. I want to be able to walk you through some important points before you get started. And so, as you see, we are on the home page within this Canvas course. On the left-hand banner are the different links that you will be able to use. I encourage you, go through, click on each of these, and you'll be using these to navigate within this course. But I also really want to point out, start at the beginning where it says, welcome to your simulated course. Take the time to read through all of the instructions. Where it says right here, we've created a task checklist. Click on that, download this so that you can see and basically check off each day. It's going to give you directions on which tasks need to be completed. I know that over here on the right-hand banner, there is a to-do list. Please, during this training, ignore the to-do list, because it does not work in sync with this training simulated course. As you move down, it says start here. I know that's intuitive. We should start right there, which I encourage you, click on each of these links, read the directions. They're very important, and they'll get you through really explaining how this course will work. Then Friday, you move to Friday, which is today. You'll have 4 tasks to complete starting today over the weekend. So go ahead and do those. Then on Monday 2, Tuesday 3, Wednesday 3, and finally Thursday, there'll be 2 more tasks for you to complete. Now, can you work ahead? Yes, you can, but I encourage you, slow down, take your time, read the directions, and you'll be able to get through these. I want to click on one of these on Friday, today, post course expectation announcement. So I'm going to show you this. As you click on this task, read from the beginning. It will explain exactly what we are looking for you to complete this correctly. If you do not complete everything that we're asking for, we'll ask you to return and to correct or add what is missing. Again, the instructions are going to be very clear. I want you to understand that this course expectation announcement is not a universal written assignment late policy announcement. That universal written assignment late policy is posted in every course for the University of Arizona Global Campus. We're asking for you to post what your course expectations will be in terms of culture of care, how you're going to interact with your students. But especially, we're asking you to provide a discussion forum, quizzes, and assignments other than the written assignment late posting policy. And so, just again, read through the directions. We also provide an example of what someone else wrote. One of your faculty members here at the University of Arizona Global Campus. But we don't want you to simply copy and paste that information in your announcement. Please make it your own, create your own, but you can use that as a guide to include that information in your announcement. All right? As you're interacting in this course, your students have already posted their discussion responses. Your students have already posted their written assignment. And so when you're interacting with them in the discussions, make your responses substantial, and you're the content expert. So read through what the student wrote, comment on that, ask critical thinking questions. That'll be important. We'll be reviewing that and evaluating and providing you feedback on that. Then when you're grading the discussions in SpeedGrader and the written assignments in Waypoint, again, make your feedback responses both a summarized comment and specific, even in-text comments for the written assignments. Make those personalized to what the student wrote. Help them to see what they wrote correctly and how they can improve in their posting of discussion responses, but also in their written assignment. Give them feedback that's more than just grammar or APA. All right? If you have any questions about any task, please reach out via email or even a phone call. All questions are great questions during this training. We really want you to be successful, and we want you to understand what we are expecting of our faculty as they come to teach at the University of Arizona Global Campus. Again, welcome. Look forward to all of your work this week.